How to install Google Analytics on WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add Google Analytics to your WordPress website very easily. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will need to log into your WordPress website that you're creating. I have logged into my WordPress website, and what you have to do is simply go to the dashboard. Once you are on your dashboard on WordPress, this will allow us to add a new plugin that will be Google Analytics. With Google Analytics, we will be able to get insights to our website, and it is provided by Google. So it's really good and it has all the right features and tools for our website. So let's start with the process. Once you are on your WordPress dashboard, simply scroll down to the menu, and in here you will find plugins. Click on plugins and then go to add new. It will take you to add plugins option where we can actually search for any kind of plugin. WordPress is really amazing. It allows you to add anything and it has all of these amazing plugins. So what you need to do is simply go to the search bar right here and search for Google Analytics. Once you search, then it will give you more than 1,000 items. But the first one is going to be our Google Analytics. You can see right here, it is by Google. This one is the real one. Different analytics plugins, but we want to add Google Analytics. Now you can see it has more than 2 million active installations, and it will allow us to add Google Analytics to our WordPress. Simply click on Install Now. It will take few seconds to install. Once it's installed, then simply click on Activate. You can see our Google Analytics has been added to our WordPress. Now my plugin is activated. Let's start with the setup. Now you need to sign up with Sitekit or sign in with Google. So I will simply go ahead and sign in with Google. Once you sign in with your Google account, then this is where you will get. Now we will have our own Google Analytics in our plugins. So now you just have to find your Sitekit right here in the menu where there are other plugins as well. But the first one is going to be the Sitekit, which is G Sitekit, means Google Sitekit. So let's go to the dashboard. So after the initial setup, once you connect your Google Analytics to your WordPress, your G Sitekit, then you just have to verify that you are the owner of the website. This is like the kind of process within connecting your Google Analytics. And this is what I wanted to show you, how to add your Google Analytics to your WordPress. Again, simply allow and then set up Google Analytics. Click on Next. And there you go, you have your Google Analytics on your WordPress website. So that was really easy, right? And now I hope you will know how to add your Google Analytics to your WordPress website. And the next thing is very easy. All I have to do is now, this is like my information. Of course, I have my website name, I have my property, then we have view all website data, then we have country, everything. Now simply click on create account. So if you already have an account on Google Analytics, then you can actually skip this step. But if you do not have a Google Analytics account, then you will have to just add that information. Again, grant permission. There's a lot of granting permission because we're connecting our Google account to our WordPress website. So that's how it's going to be. And if you're doing it for the first time, then there is going to be a lot of granting permission, but it's okay. It's completely secure. Just add your Google Analytics grant permission to connect your Google Analytics to your WordPress website. And this is our dashboard right here of Google Analytics in my WordPress website. And you can see right here, we have our traffic, content, speed, monetization. So if you already know how to use Google Analytics, now it's like simple. Your Google Analytics has been added to your WordPress website. You will be able to check the traffic the way we do, content, speed, monetization. So if I go to traffic, I will be able to check the traffic right here for this website within my WordPress. Now I don't have to go to Google Analytics every time. I just have to go to this plugin right here which says G Sitekit, and I will be able to access my Google Analytics within my WordPress website. And now I can simply check the traffic, content, the content that I have added to my website. We can gather all the data about my website. And then we can also check the speed with all of these different options. We have total blocking time, we have largest contentful paint, then, CSS, then we have other options. Similarly, we can also connect now because I have G Site Kit, okay? So Kit means that I will be getting Google Analytics. I will also be getting Google AdSense. So if you want to monetize your website, right? So we can do that with Google AdSense by just connecting from this G Site Kit that I showed you how to add it to your WordPress, and it's completely free and it's very easy to add. And if you will follow this tutorial, it will be a piece of cake for you to add a G Site Kit to your WordPress website. And now you have your own Google Analytics on your WordPress website. Simply go ahead and get all the insights to your WordPress website. So once we have our own G site kit here, what we can do is we can see we have traffic. So in traffic, I will be able to check my total impressions and total clicks. Total clicks mean the clicks I will get on my website. And we also have our graph. I can not only, check everything here, but I can also search in the Google console. But we get all of the options within our WordPress as well. Then we have content. So in content, we can again go to search console and you will be able to get the display of your site or any kind of clicks or impressions that you're getting on your content. You can keep track of your most popular pages and how people found them by from the search. So you can actually, know everything about your WordPress website as we do on analytics. For example, I can actually check where from I'm getting the audience, how much audience I am getting, and what page is actually the most popular page, and how people are accessing to my page, if it's a promotions or if it's by search, if it's by keyword. We also work on the SEO. So if our website is landing in the top search results, and that's what we know to our Google Analytics. Then we have in the lab option where we can check total blocking time. As I mentioned before, largest contentful paint. We have other options. So we can actually access more options to these, and we can not only use Google Analytics, but we can actually add more and more plugins to our Google Analytics as well. For example, we have this one, reduce unused JavaScripts. And what we can do now is we can actually go to WordPress plugins and I can actually add a JavaScript right here to my website. So it will also give us different suggestions in order to add different plugins. Then of course we have monetization, where as I mentioned, we can create our own AdSense account and we can actually do it later if you want to. If you're not in looking for monetization, then you can just skip this step. But with monetization, you will be able to make money. So that's the thing, we can actually make money using Google Analytics using the G Site Kit. So with G Site Kit, we're getting our Google console, we're getting our analytics, we're getting our everything that is provided by Google. Now we also get our own search bar and we can enter the URL of anything and we will be able to access it. We also have our own range, so we can get traffic, the insights for last 7 days or maybe for last 90 days. So this is for like last 7 days. This is actually my demo website, that is why I don't have any impressions on this one, but you will get every insight right here with Google Analytics, and it's completely free, provided by Google, that now we can add on our WordPress website. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to add Google Analytics to your WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.